Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying tape-ins. I've never done tape-ins before. I went natural. You guys know I've been trying to go natural for years now. May last year I shaved my head and I went natural again. Finally it's kind of awkward, but it's at that length where I feel like I can add a few extensions. When Ywigs reached out to me to collab, I was like, my hair is not that long, but you know what? I want to try it. I did these tape-ins on myself here on camera, and I'm just going to show you guys how I did that with my hair being, you know, in its awkward TWA stage. So if you'd like to see more, then keep watching. So prior to this video, my hair was in braids for a good few weeks. I usually keep it braided up because I wear wigs. So I washed it, conditioned it, and I blow dried the whole thing. But my mom was like, oh no, it's not. I can get it straighter for you. You know how moms are. So I said, okay. I let her blow out the rest of my hair on camera so that it's really straight for these tape-ins. My hair is pretty thick, as you guys can see. I believe I have 4C hair. I've never really cared about like the number or whatever. I don't. But from the looks of it, it looks like it's probably like a 4C. So as you can see, it's really thick. So I am excited to see how these tape-ins are going to fit in my hair. Now that I'm all blow dried out, I'm going to start installing these tape-ins. I was sent 3 packs of KINKY tape-ins. I don't remember how much is in each pack, but it's a lot. So it's a lot. As you can see, it's really thick, and I feel like it may match my texture of hair. Let's see. So here I am cutting the little rubber bands off of it and just kind of inspecting it because I've never ever done tape-ins. So I'm just super curious right now of like how these things work, how they go in. So I'm just checking them out right now before I install it. So I'm literally doing this myself on camera. So please do not judge me if my parting is not super straight. But what I'm basically doing is just parting it, adding the tape-ins. I'm adding about 3 or 4 on a row. And then I'm parting that next part and adding more tape-ins, just pretty much like a sandwich in between each parting, if that makes sense. And that's pretty much how how I install the tape-ins. I want to say that the tape is not like super strong. It's not as tacky as I thought it would be. So you want to make sure that your hair is fully washed without any product so that the tape, grabs the hair and it doesn't slip out.
want when I wash. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I wash. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I wash. They are jealous of me. When you're over and over, yeah. Oh, you can hear my voice in your head, and you wanna hear it again. So you're playing on. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I'll see you later. I'm about to blow this. When you're over and over, yeah. You can hear my voice in your head, and you wanna hear it again. So I do what I want when I wash. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I wash. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I wash. They are jealous of me. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I wash. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I wash. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I wash. They are jealous of me. Later, see you later. I'm about to blow this.
So I'm finished. I'm finishing up the tape-ins. I decided to just leave it out. I was trying to put it up, but some of them fell out. So I was like, okay, I can't put it in the updo. So I did the best I can, and I used this tiara, and then I just slayed the edges because, you know, my hair is really short in the front. So it's kind of hard for it to blend in with the longer hair.
That is all for this video, you guys. I did the best I can with these tape-ins. I tried the best that I can to turn it into a look. I added the tiara as a decoration, but if I didn't have the tiara, I would have probably put like a really cute chunky headband and wore it just like this, because I think this is a look. Really full. It's really, really full. I definitely think I would need like maybe something more a little bit on the curly, tight curl side to make it a little bit more natural looking.
Has not been my favorite, but the back came out great. No glue-ins are showing at all. It looks like my natural hair, so yay for me.
Thank you to Ywigs for collaborating with me. If you guys are interested in tape-ins, I definitely suggest trying them out. They have a lot of different textures. Hopefully they have a texture that's like my hair, because this is kind of like a kinky, but they have a lot of different textures. They have straight, they have, you know, depending on your hair texture, you can find some clip-ins that match, and you can do what it do. It was super easy. As you can see, I did it myself. I did it just backwards. It's really easy. You just have to kind of like put a clip-in in, part it, have hair on top of it, just kind of do it like that. Because I did it myself, it wasn't super secure. So if you do it, you want to make sure you have somebody do it for you. I recommend that. But if you can do it yourself, try it. But I do recommend having somebody do it for you, so it's really like taped in nice and neat. Yeah, I'm a sweaty mess right now. It's very hot. But yeah, you guys, that is all for this video. Let me know what you think below. How did I do? I tried to make it into a look, child, despite it not being super blendable with my hair. I tried. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.